Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all lots and lots of dinner options for weight loss. Dinner is the most important meal when you're trying to lose weight and also can make or break your diet. So, today I'll be giving you lots and lots of dinner options that my clients basically have and lose lots of weight in weeks. I'll be giving you very easy options for dinner and as well as the recipes along with it. So, without wasting any time, let's proceed further. The first dinner option that I would love to give you all is oatmeal with fruits. Now, why oatmeal and why oats for weight loss? Oats, extremely good for weight loss, extremely low in carb, low glycemic index food, and as well as helps you relieve your constipation and along with it a tasty meal. Now, the recipe for oatmeal with fruits is already given on my YouTube channel Weight Loss Kitchen. You can check it out. It's very easy to make. It just takes 2 to 3 minutes to prepare oatmeal with fruits and you can enjoy it as well. Now the second dinner option that I would love to give you all is dhokla. Now there are times when we all feel a little low and want to have something good for food, or we are at a party or something where we can only have options like desi Indian food. So dhokla is best for you. You can have 2 to 3 pieces of dhokla, but make sure that you have your dinner by 7 to 8 pm and not later than that. So here are the two options, oatmeal and dhokla. The third weight loss dinner option that I would love to give you all is haldi doodh along with some apples. Now I know it sounds a little bland at first, but trust me, when you prepare the haldi doodh that I tell you to prepare, it will be extremely good, nourishing and as well as best for your immunity, which we basically need a lot in this COVID-19 times. So how to prepare haldi milk? It's very simple. The recipe for weight loss haldi milk will be on my channel, A Weight Loss Kitchen. The link to it is given in the description box below. Go and subscribe to my channel and definitely have it along with one complete full apple. The recipe is extremely simple. You can follow it very easily. Now instead of haldi milk, if you don't want to prepare haldi milk, you can also have soya milk. Sofit soya milk is very easily available in the market these days. Try the natural flavor of it, you'll love having it along with some apples. Now this particular dinner option can help you lose around 1 to 2 kgs in a week. My clients love having this and definitely works wonders. Now the next dinner option that I'll give you all is paneer tikka. Yes, sounds appetizing and as well as it is very healthy. Now it is a myth that paneer tikka and stuff like that is very unhealthy for you, but the way you prepare it is the all that makes a difference. Now I'll post the complete recipe on my Instagram or my YouTube channel Weight Loss Kitchen, but just giving you an overview of the recipe here, how to prepare paneer tikka for weight loss. Extremely easy, high protein dinner option. Now the next recipe for dinner option for weight loss is for all those who love having something solid for their breakfast and will always prefer brown rice or single polished rice. I am giving you a rough overview of how to prepare this khichdi. For this particular recipe, you can only have a katori of khichdi along with dahi, raita, salad, whatever you want to have. But make sure that it's less of rice and more of veggies and dal. And yes, portion control is the key. So here are all the dinner options that you can try for weight loss. I'll be coming up with more of them. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. You can follow me on Instagram, and for weight loss, personalized diet plans and trainings, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com, or best you can DM me on Instagram and see all my client transformations and lose weight the healthy way with lots of food and good health. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.